Today is an exciting day. I'm starting the filming of the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 serger. I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, sergers, and embroidery machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So hop over to sewingmastery.com. You can see the complete list of all the machines that we have completed, over 3,000 videos to date. So behind me, because I know you're going to ask, what are those quilts on the wall? I have a couple online courses that you can join me for. These are from the Stitching Cosmos online course. Those have no embroidery on them. That is all sewing. So working with mastering your decorative stitches and accessory feet. So hop on over. There's links below this YouTube video where you can check it out. Speaking of, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate it. Also, if you are an embroiderer, check out our Embroidery Essentials online course, where we work through 15 different embroidery techniques to help you master your embroidery machine. And that is designed for those of you, doesn't matter which brand of machine you have. If you have an embroidery machine and you are scared to use it, this is the class for you. All right, so we start today with opening the box and seeing what comes with this machine, and we're going to get started with going into all the different stitches, how to thread it, how to clean it, all those videos that you just need that short little bit of information. That's kind of what we're known for. As we do a video, they're meant to be easily searched for, and you don't have to spend 40 minutes watching a video to see if the information you're looking for is actually in there. All right, so you do get a printed manual with this machine, a dust cover, a box of accessories. So we're going to go through each and every one of those, and I think there might actually be some accessory feet. No extra feet in here, but I do know your local Pfaff retailer does have extra feet that you can add to this machine. All right, foot control, power cord, and I do like it when sergers do include this. This is actually a thread catcher, so I don't have to tape a plastic bag on the front of my table when I am serging. Okay, I might have dressed to match today's serger as we get it opened up. I'm so excited to be working through here. And one thing that I've noticed is how easy it is to thread. So I do want to walk you through how easy the airjet thread serger part of this is. I like that it's not a complex serger. It's simple. I use about 3 stitches on my serger, and I put the pedal to the metal. So when a serger can keep up with me and I can go between the 3 stitches I use all the time, thin fabrics to thick fabrics, I know that that serger can keep up with me. And this one fits the bill. So if you're ready to get started, I want you to get 4 different colors of thread. We're going to put those on each of the tension discs so you'll know which color is doing what on your samples, and we're going to go through every corner of this serger.